Today start another overseas installation project for the CUNMAC team. Passport check, boarding complete, time to hit the road again. A few airport coffees, several hours in the air, and a long drive later, we're finally getting closer to our destination. Let's go! Alright, today we are at our customer factory, installing this high-speed full line. Our engineering team is still doing the final checking and setup to make sure the whole system runs smoothly before official production starts. And here comes the main roll forming section, heavy duty structure, stable operation, and every movement perfectly synchronized. The machine is running at high speed while still delivering sharp and consistent forming quality. Finished products are coming out continuously, moving smoothly through the conveyor system without interruption. This part is honestly satisfying to watch. Fast output, straight profiles, and ready for stacking immediately. The automatic stacker keeps everything organized while the entire line continues running non-stop. From feeding, roll forming, cutting, all the way to finished output, the whole process is designed for real high-speed production. CUNMAC provides complete full-line solutions for customers, helping optimize production processes, reduce labor costs, and improve manufacturing efficiency. We've exported to more than 50 countries worldwide. Contact us today for support and solutions for your factory.
Welcome, Saudi Arabia.